Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Forex Live Trading 2022 July the 5th trading session in UK hour. Right, okay. Yes, hi Roger, thank you for sharing out my video. Thank you so much. Well guys, remember to smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, because in this session we are going to share what we are going to see and we are going to trade together. Alright, so yes, let's see. Okay, so euro dollar, I'm looking at euro dollar, is still continue the selling. Yes, right, congratulations for those who have taken your profits. Thank you. Hubert, all right, nice. All right, good profit early in the morning. Okay, that's good. Well, that's very fast. Okay, so I guess everyone is actually aiming for this. Am I right? Okay, so yes, let me see. All right, our dollar, that's pretty fast. Okay, so anyway, okay, so yep, I'm going to show up this. Okay, what am I going to trade today? All right, and of course I'm going to say hello everybody. All right, okay, it's nice to see all of you here. Okay, yes, thank you so much. Okay, yes, okay, I guess it's pretty good over here as we can see. All right, so far I think so far so good. Can see that this is actually running quite smooth. Okay, so yep. Right, so let me check on the other side. As you can see, right, so yes, and let me see. Okay, pretty good now. Okay, that's good. Yep. Okay, yes, well, euro dollar has short, and pound dollar, same thing. So pound yen, okay, let's come back to pound yen. Let's take a look at pound yen. Okay, dollar CAD tentatively still not there yet, correct? Okay, so yep, dollar CAD is still testing on the resistance. I guess it's still pretty good. So dollar yen, let's take a look at dollar yen. All right, dollar yen, yes. Okay, so dollar yen. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Right. Okay. Fantastic. That's nice. Okay. All right. Yeah. I think this is I think this should be something that we are going to take a look. Okay. As you can see. Okay. Okay. Let's see, what do we have here? Pound yen. Okay, pound yen actually, like we actually mentioned yesterday, pound yen over here. Yesterday we actually plotted if you still remember, for pound yen, all right, we plotted this resistance level. Okay, we have TransUnited actually sharing out with us, and so I was saying that I'm waiting for this resistance level. So now it hits on the resistance level over here, and it started to sell down for about, oh my god, almost 100 pips already. So yeah, that is a very strong selling. Okay, so this is what we are looking out for. All right, so yes, okay. So pound yen has already started to sell off already. So I guess we don't have a chance for this anymore. Okay, so yeah, pound yen, yes. Okay, so currently let's look at this. Let me check through. Okay. Okay, no. Okay, this coming for support very soon. Okay. So yeah, no way. Okay, so better not to. Right, so better not to. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. All right, so yes, let's take a look at pound franc. Let's take a look at pound franc. Yes, pound franc also starts selling off. Okay, it started to sell off now. So it has tested last hour, tested the resistance and forming a new cycle of selling. So I guess this is something that we are looking at and we are aware of. So now this is not really that fantastic to sell now because it has ran down for such a situation like this. I guess I will take it as a miss and let's wait for the next round before we take action. Okay, pound cat. Okay, guys, remember FOMO. Okay, so don't rush into a trade like this. Pound cat, yes, pound cat. Okay, pound cat over here. All right, so let's take a look. Pound cat. Yeah, pound cat over at this part here. We are looking at this. Okay, all right. So pound cat. Bradley TP 20 pips. Pound cat, huh? Okay, I think that's quite good. Okay, that's very good. All right. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's pretty nice. Okay. No, I don't see that. Yeah. Okay. All right. So no, pound cat. No more. Not now. Let's wait for another wave. All right. No, pound cat. Wait for another wave. Okay. So euro yen. Let's take a look at euro yen. Okay. Euro yen over here. Yes, euro yen, same thing. We have good selling over once we have reaches the resistance. Okay, the resistance has been tested, and in the last hour, it started to have a new cycle of selling. All right, it's a retracement trading, like I say. Okay, so this one has shot for about another 50. Okay, so yep, let's move again. Euro yen and Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie dollar. Well, Aussie dollar also the same thing. Okay, so yeah, Aussie dollar. Yes, I was just now I was saying that the Aussie dollar is now coming on the resistance as well. So yeah, it's already selling already. So I guess everyone is actually some has captured, some has not. Okay, so just no choice. Then we will need to just pay attention to the rest. Okay. Okay, AUTP. Aiden, AUTP. Okay, that's good. All right. Congratulations. Well done. Okay. Yes, fantastic. That's good. That's good. Okay. So I think that's good. Okay. Finette also hit your TP. Oh, okay. That's good. Fantastic. Well done. Well done. All right. I think this is quite many of you actually got your TP before I even start my live stream over here. That also shows that I missed some of them. Okay. Never mind. All right. Okay, so I'm going to get ready. Okay, I'm going to get ready. Right. Myself. Okay. Right. Okay, so yes. Okay. Now let's come in here. Guys, remember to smash the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ring up the bell so they can get the notification whenever this session and I go live. And everyone, all of us here can discuss, okay, about your views. Okay, remember this community is going to be a smiling community. Okay, and we are going to have this community built up, okay, together with you, so that we can learn from each other, we can trade together, take profit together. All right. Okay, so we are here to share, not to challenge. So yeah, so I hope everybody will show courtesy to everyone here. All right. Okay, so yes, now come again. Yep. What are the things that we are going to look out for? All right, so that we can have a good trading session over here. Right, since all this has gone, all right. So for people who had taken profit for AU, okay, Aussie dollar, Thai CK, right? So Aussie dollar, okay, so Aussie dollar over here. Let's take a look. How do we actually capture our TP? Okay, so at this point here, as we can see, the trend is actually in the downward trend of bear, correct? We are moving in the bear. So we know that this is what we are going to look out for is a bear trend, am I right? So yeah, since it's a bear trend, yes, it's good that we are going to focus, all right? Then in this case, okay, Aussie dollar over here, we are looking out for a resistance. We are looking out for resistance to sell, correct? We are looking out for resistance to sell. So over at this point here, in H4, I'm looking out for a resistance, say here, okay, over here, this area, correct? Just now earlier on in my analysis session. So at this point here, okay, in this resistance area, sorry, a little bit off. Okay, so this point here. Okay, so at this point here, this is the resistance over here. So as we can see, it has been tested once, tested twice, and come back once again. So we are looking out for this particular candle, which is very important when it comes to the resistance area. Okay, so over at this point here, when we lower down the time frame, as we can see in H1, went up to retest, okay, and come back here, and you can see this candle in the last hour, it actually retested the resistance. It retested the resistance without breaking up again, forming a new cycle of selling. This is fantastic. Okay, so I just skip all the way down to M5 so that we can see. All right. So at this point here, you can see it come back here, right? So retested and come back into the resistance area. So it come back to the resistance area. One, I will always look out for retesting or a lower resistance right here. Okay, so right here, this is the point that I think this is quite a good one for us to enter for a trade. Okay, so you must understand the concept. You must understand the concept. To understand the concept over here, all right, this is to actually giving us a chance, okay, to know, okay, is this a good chance for us to enter for a trade? Okay, so that you will know, okay, this basing on the fundamentals, okay, the logic behind the trading at that point of time, is the market reacting according to us, okay, according to what we want, according to our plan, or it is not. Okay, if this is reacting to according to our plan, I guess this is something that worth taking a trade. Okay, and this will actually make us adhere to our trading plan. Okay, so this is how we capture our profits here. Okay. Okay, so yeah, this is for Aussie dollar. Okay, just now somebody TP pound yen, right? Okay, pound yen. So I guess pound yen, we know it very clearly that in pound yen we have tested on the resistance, which we talked about it yesterday, right? So finally it reaches the resistance, and in lower down the time frame to H1 RD over here, you can see one try, second try again, forming a double top here and not breaking out the resistance. Okay, tested but not breaking out. Then now it's starting to give a new cycle of selling, So at this point here, you can see the price here. Okay, let's take a look at this because we'll see the retracement. Okay, so you see over here, it started to retrace upwards. Once again, it retraced upwards and it's not breaking, correct? And form a new cycle of selling through. And this is where the selling is there. We are still trading below the white line over at this point here, which is still good. Okay, this is still good, all right? Okay, so this is something that what we are looking out for to sell, all right? Okay, สวัสดีครับ สวัสดีครับ 168 You can understand me? เข้าใจไหมครับ Okay, so yeah, CK was asking question in Mandarin. You're late today? No. No. I just started. Okay. You're late in TP now. Okay. Okay. So over at this point here, 样分支 H5 M5 pin arrow. Okay. M5 pin arrow. Okay, like this. Okay. CK. Can I explain in English? Guys, just give me a moment. Let me explain this in Mandarin. All right. Okay. So 在这里啊，你问的是这个 H1RDV 对不对？那么这个 M5有一个 pin arrow 嘛，对吗 ？OK， 就很像这里啊，这里就有一个 H1RDV 啊，这里啊 ，OK， 比如说这个棒日 ，OK，GJ，OK，Alright， so 在这个，然后我们进单交易 short 下来时还没 TP 时 ，M5 就回调，遇到压力没有被压下来。到压力没有被压下来 ，OK， 没有被压下来，然后会突破 resistance， 怎样分析 M5 会突破 ？Okay, so CK is asking, okay, how do you actually read the chart as in whether this M5 whether this will break the resistance, okay, whether it will break the resistance. All right, so let's see. Let me go to example like UJ, okay, dollar yen. I guess dollar yen. Am I right? Is it dollar yen? Okay. For example, this for example, say M5 in Aussie dollar. It's Aussie dollar. Yeah, let's say Aussie dollar. Okay, over here, right? So Aussie dollar over at this point here. Okay, we have a resistance. Hey, that's nice. I have a. Okay, let's say it's Aussie dollar. Okay, I will just place it at Aussie dollar first. So Aussie dollar. I place this resistance over here. I think that is a very good example. Okay, guys, there's another move in pound yen. Okay, there's another move in pound yen. Okay, but this pound yen, please be careful. It may not be as what we thought that it will start selling all the way down. Huh? Okay, let me check pound yen first. Pound yen. All right, pound yen. Okay, pound yen. Okay, it's still selling. Okay, still selling very good. Okay, still selling. Okay, forget it. I think no more. Okay, one. Oh yeah, there's another round, but I think we have missed that. Okay, we have missed that. This swing is too fast. Okay. All right. Okay, so let's see. Okay, come back here. Come back Aussie dollar. Let's quickly settle this. Okay. Alright. So 在这里我们这样看Okay, let me use this in Mandarin first. Okay. Okay. So over here, 在这里的话呢，你要注意看，这里是一个压力位置。OK， 这里是一个压力位置。当这个压力位置比如说在这个压力位置呢 ，OK， 在这一段里面，好不好？如果呢在这一段里面的话呢，它往下跌之后呢 OK， 上到这个压力位置的时候，比如说在这一段里面，我们选择要进场啊。比如说在这一边，比如说在这里，如果有进场点，我们要进场的话呢，这一般是有一点困难，因为水蓝线还在白线上面嘛，对不对？所以这很明显显示我们是在走上升趋势。OK， 所以如果呢，你看到的说是在另外一个压力位置，比如说是在这一段，好吗 ？OK， 比如说是在这一段 ，OK， 这一段的话呢，我们这一看的话呢，先在这里，然后呢，如果当他进场的时候，应该也是在这一个段了。如果有进场点的话，哈 ，OK， 那么呢，首先呢，你在这一看的话，这一个进场点，这里是压力位置。现在这里下来的时候形成一个支撑，回调再下来，你会看到一个很明显的支撑位置在这一段里面，这里已经是一个支撑位置，这一个呢形成的一个小 A 在这里的话呢，已经是一个很明显告诉我们说它已经是被支撑着，而这里呢开始回调的时候呢，变成红绿绿的话，这个 A 之后变成红绿绿的话呢，其实方向已经转换了，方向，方向已经开始在往上在回调了。如果呢这一段里面的话，首先如果我看到这一个，在这里的话，它一旦直接突破这个压力位置，那么在这一段的话呢，因为这里这个 A 这个小 A 的话，由小 A 这个一旦突破上去的话呢，这个就已经算是突破了。OK， 这已经是算是一个突破点了，已经是在这一段里面呢，已经看到它突破的话呢，平仓这个呢已经是我第一个选择了。OK， 这一段听得懂吗？Hi Basali, hi good man. You are also a good man, alright? OK, CK 听得懂吗？ Let me explain this chart in Mandarin for CK first. OK， 好不好？这里呢，这一个呢下不去的时候呢，在这一段一来到这里突破不了这个支撑位置，还马上形成一个 A 字。对，它形成一个 A 字，不会马上跌破，不会马上下来。可是它如果它有下来的话呢，也就是说这个 A 字形成出来的话呢，还好还有办法。但是如果这个 A 字已经形成出来，而且变成红绿绿一直在上去突破的话，完蛋，直接就是要平仓的。这个突破这个压力位置的可能性是非常非常非常高，因为这个起点是在这个 A 字这里。OK， 是在这个 A 字，在这个 A 字这里啊。OK， 在这一段的 support 已经很明显的出现。这个一出现的话呢，它马上出现的时候呢，它这里呢这一段一突破，就是告诉我们方向有点转换了。OK， 有点转变。所以呢，在这一段里面呢，这一个破这个压力位置的情况是非常非常大的。OK， 所以呢，在这里呢，往上升上去，这个可能性就很大。OK， 之后它还会往下再跌回来的话呢，重新再找回一个进场。OK， 好，交易呢 ？OK，so CK from Malaysia, he's asking over this when the breakout over here, how do you read that this breakout is will break out the resistance? Okay, how to see that the resistance will be breakout. So over at this point here, I was saying that there's a support over at this part here. Okay, as you can see, there's a support. So once this support is not breaking, alright, and instead of breaking, it has formed up another buying signal. It's very clear that this is actually a support. We have a double bottom here, and it is not breaking. It's actually extending. So from this part here, okay, as we can see, as it moves from the red candle become a buying candle, and higher than the price below the previous candle. If you want to have a confirmation, you can screen through the previous the bigger time frame. Okay, when you lower down the time frame is to find out the precision. when you go up to a bigger time frame, a higher time frame is to have a confirmation where is it going. All right. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So at this point, if you can see another setup for a buying, that is a very highly possible. M30, you will see another one that is actually setting up from the selling candle. Okay, and it has become a buying candle. So when you have set up with this, you are already in danger. So okay, so you can see the candle is having an indecisiveness over here. Okay, so right now is from the red where it's become a green candle is already a sign that danger is there. And over this part here, as you can see, the red candle, green candle in the M30, sorry, in H1 candle, things has changed. Things has changed. The trend has started to change. So this has already a sign of the whole of the time frame has started to change to become a buying signal. So back here in this M5, all right, we're looking at this. Okay, the support here, it has totally changed. It has totally changed. So if this, you can have the last test. If still testing on the resistance, okay, if it's not breaking, you are lucky enough to have a selling. All right, but usually when the resistance over here has tested and it came down with a double bottom over here, set up an A shape over here, that means the resistance can only push until this level and it has no strength to push further down. So when it started to go up again, check through the time frame, then that will be a very good sign to tell you, is this a change, right? Is this a change of the time frame over there, right? So understand good. 所以 H1 比较容易突破，还是一定会突破啊所以 H1 比较容易，还是一定会突破。H1 比较容易突破，还是一定会突破。I don't really get you. What do you mean by H1 is easier to break or it will sure break? When you see the setup like this, 你是说你看到这样的图形吗？当它变成红绿的时候，对，你这是什么意思呢？So cool. Yeah. Okay. Right, guys. You can look at the Pao Yen. Okay, while waiting for CK's reply. I don't understand what's the H1 easier to break or H1 the resistance. One resistance. This resistance over here, from here, the support has become a resistance. Okay. So you're asking, okay, of course, H1 resistance is not easy to break. Okay, a bigger time frame always have a stronger resistance. But 你可以看一下，就是你的 H1 的这个 resistance 呢，当下是不是我们的 H4 的同样的 resistance？ 如果不是的话呢，不被突破可能性较高。如果是一样的，比如说呢，这个的 resistance 呢，其实这个的 resistance 不在这里哦 ，H4 的 resistance 啊 ，H4 的 resistance 要跟这个H1 的 resistance 在一起的话呢，同一个 level， 这样的话呢，你就很清楚看得到，像这样啊，这里的 resistance 跟 H4 的 resistance 在这里啊。OK 是同样的，如果它上来到这里的话呢，这个呢 H1 就不容易就被突破了。OK， 只要你 H1 跟 H4 的 resistance 是一样的话呢，就不容易被突破。OK， 如果是不一样的话，就比较容易被突破了，因为就是这个的 resistance 的以内啊，有多一个 resistance， 就是这里的 resistance。 OK， 就是这一带的 resistance 而已，好不好 ？OK， 如果这个 resistance 的话呢，这里这个 resistance， 这个是一个新的 resistance， 所以呢，你看现在它回来变成一个 V 字 retest。OK， 那么这个突破不了 H1 的 resistance， 这里有一个，对不对？你看一下 H4 是不是在这一段里面，在这一段里面也制造了一个新的 resistance 出来？那么呢，是不是一个很好的一个 H1RD 很难突破的？看到吗 ？H4 这里有一个 resistance 新建出的一个 resistance， 然后你看你的 H1 是不是也来到这个 resistance 不突破？这种就很难突破。OK， 这个就很难突破。OK， 明白吗？Okay, guys, take a look at pound yen. Okay, pound yen. Take a look at pound yen. All right. Take a look at pound yen. Pound yen. Take a look at pound yen, guys. All right, pound yen. Okay. 哎 ，CK 明白吗 ？CK H4 跟 H1 resistance 要一致一样的，像现在这种情况啊，昨天的这个。Right， 现在回来 retest 一次，结果你去看 H4 的时候，新建出一个 resistance， 这种的话呢就很难突破了。来了哈 ，OK good guys come back to pound yen. Let's quickly come back to pound yen. OK， yes， right， OK。Right, pound yen. Okay. Right. So I think probably we have already missed it. Okay. Pound yen. Okay. Okay. Pound yen. Tentatively by looking at this, the continuity over here. All right. So it has already showed that the chart has already gone down. Okay. Okay, so if you have, well, I think, yeah, if you know how to enter for this trade, I think you have already get it. Okay, so just now earlier on, I guess the retrace, okay, the pullback, okay, forming up a new resistance, coming once again, all right, at this point, okay, so you should have taken a profit already. Okay, so yeah, I guess wow, so many of you TP. Yes, okay, congratulations. Well done. Okay, well done. All right, good. Okay, CK 好，不客气。All right, so yes. And I think you should take a few. I think you should take what? Take a few vote. I think your Mandarin will speak better. Yeah, I think so. Do you know something? Okay, do you know something? Indeed, all right. When I have a few more, okay, okay, I can speak better Mandarin. Yeah, it will get very fluent. Do you have a broken Mandarin like broken English? I guess so. Yes. Yeah. I always have I always whenever I speak Mandarin, I always translate English to Mandarin, so it sounds a bit funny, Okay, so sometimes like an example, okay, like example, something like I have already eaten, so I will always phrase it another way like I have eaten already. In Mandarin, yeah, okay, something like this, yeah. So people will like, huh? So have you eaten? Okay. Anyway, all right. So yep, pound cat. Will there be any chance? Okay, pound cat. Let's take a look. Pound cat. Oh, pound franc, not pound cat. Sorry, pound franc. Okay, pound franc. Okay, let's take a look. Pound franc over at this point. Selling already is already selling now. So tentatively, we are having a retracement. Where will be the time that actually will be a good time for us to sell for this? All right, pound franc. Let's check out the space first. Okay, let us check out the space first. So pound franc over here. we are very near to one one of the supports here. The one of the support over minus support over at this one from the base here. We have higher support, and this has been tested right now. Okay, so at this point here, what we are going to see is that at this area, okay, at this area here, we are having a higher support, higher low, correct? So this one, once it breaks with a new resistance below in M5 over here, okay, I'll be waiting for it to break first. I think currently by looking at this to sell from this level is possible. So we have but it's a scalping, it's a scalp. Okay, so we will scalp here. If you are looking at this, we will need to tune our mindset. Okay, what kind of strategy shall we be are we going to use? So if it's actually coming down to the support area here, I will want to break the support before I sell. If it's retracing upwards to retest the previous support as a resistance to form a trending market, then over at this point we have about 18 pips. Yeah, just 18 pips. So in this case, since we have 18 pips, then if we are going to enter a trade within this area, scalp it. Okay, scalp it 5 probably. If it's enough, then 10. If it's not enough, then just 5. Okay. Yeah, exactly. All right. Yes. I would say yeah. So probably we just need to. Yeah, correct. Yes, Sabrina, you're right. So we need to understand that situation. We cannot just blindly, you know, when you learn forex trading, okay, the teacher say, okay, I am going to sell at the resistance and take my profit at the support. Okay, I always do this. Okay, so maybe we enter from here and we will just take one all the way. But without having understanding the situation, and we just simply apply, okay, which is not really that advisable, okay, which is not really that advisable, which I won't really suggest that. I won't really advise to do so, okay, which is not good, okay, because in forex trading, understanding the situation is very important. Okay, when you understand the situation, okay, you will be able to know what strategy to use, how many pips to take. You know, all these are very important. Okay, all these are very important, so that you will be able to know you will be able to grab the profit in a very safe manner, so that taking a profit is easier. Okay, so that it is simple when you know it, correct? When you know something, it becomes simple. But when you don't know something, it becomes very complicated. Can I say so? Complicated. All right. So in another way, okay, just know summarize up. Importantly, you must know the situation. Okay. All right. So like this, you see situation like this now is pulling back to meet up with the previous support as a resistance. Am I right? So from here, if I have a entry, okay, I know, okay, I have 18 pips, so I can grab say like 10 pips, because I have 18 inclusive of the spread, let's say 3 pips. Okay, that's fine. I still have 5 pips of buffer, okay, for the price to test on the support, and that's pretty fine. Okay, then that's because you know the situation. But if you do not know the situation, you just blindly, okay, I'm going to enter here to take 18. Okay, I'm just pumping and take 18. But when it comes down without hitting the 18 pips, it just reverse back again to set up a higher support. Gone. Am I right? You will miss the opportunity of keeping your profit. Okay, so pound yen, like example, pound yen, can we sell? Okay, can we sell now? Right, we have a good chance of selling this pound yen. Okay, and it's also struggling. You must know, like example for pound yen, where's the support level? We must know the support level first, okay, in order for us to see where will the price get struggling, you know, where's the struggling stage for the price, so that we know. You see, support, just like I said, there's an A shape, double bottom here. So we are left with about 30 pips. Okay, if you want to grab 100 pips, I think that's crazy. Okay, so we still have 30 pips to go. So is it still a good time for us to sell now for this? All right. So can you identify the situation? We are selling, correct? And now still selling good in these 4 hours, for the past 4 hours. In these 30 minutes, we are still in a selling mode. Okay, so this is still good to sell. Yes, I think engulfing candle coming, am I right? Okay, so is there a chance to sell? Or do you want to wait for the resistance from over here? Okay, over here in this area of resistance, when it retrace, pull back, then you start to sell down, so then you have a bigger space, grab from here to here about 50. All right. If we are we are selling, you know, read the situation. There's a pullback, selling, buyer try, but sellers are still strong. Now the buyers try again, the sellers are still strong. Can we sell? Can we still sell? Look at M5 from a smaller time frame. Are we now on the, we are meeting out on the, within these 50 pips, within these 50 pips, we have a small minor support over here. Okay, let's put this up. Okay, let's put this blue arrow as a mark here. Okay, so I'm going to pull this up here. So you can see the price is actually quite struggling here, correct? The price is quite struggling from the support here. So if there's a chance that it's going back to retest the resistance and start selling back, and you can see it's a trending market, because you can see lower low, and lower highs. Yes, that will be a good chance to enter for a trade that you can grab more. Okay, this is 19 pips from the resistance to this. It's about 20 pips. So I think that's much safer. So if this is going to continue the selling, let's go for a selling first. Retest this, then sell. You have about let's say about 30 pips. So if you have 30 pips, I think it's pretty safe for us to grab 20, you know. Yeah, you get what I mean? If now I'm going to enter and immediately it retraces upwards, okay, we are going to suffer a loss of 17 to 20 pips. And what if it breaks the resistance and continue? Then that's bad. Okay, so don't rush. Don't rush. Okay, so understand the situation first. Okay, hi Western, nice to see you here. Thank you for coming back. All right. Nice. Euro dollar got 50 pips. Right. Congratulations. Well done. Okay. Well done. Okay. Okay. So Euro dollar. Yes. Very nice. Very good over here. Okay. So after this swing down, amazing day. Yeah. Okay. Right. So yes, we are now looking at the pound yen. Okay, pound yen. So guys, do you understand now? Okay, if you understand, all right, do give me a number 1. Okay, pump in a 1, so that let me know that my explanation. Okay, you can understand over here, so that you see that so that you can understand the situation well. In this case, you will be able to trade better, so that you will not be trapped. You know, just now if I believe somebody is going to sell, okay, but you must understand the situation first. Okay, understand the situation first. Okay, once you understand the situation, okay, then it will be so good that you will be able to sell at a good price, and also avoid some unforeseen circumstances, you know. So this is something that we are looking out for. Okay, so if I want to sell, I'm going to look out for things like this, you know. Okay, after it went down and I will retest again, then after that then we will start the selling. Okay, it's not too late, it's never too late. But what if it really went down? Then it's fine, take it as a miss. You get what I mean? Take it as a miss than to actually take a risk and in the end you are facing with losses. Then no point, am I right? No point. Okay. So yeah, that's good. Thank you for your response. Okay. Okay. Yep. I must do some stretching, okay, when we are trading so that okay, long hours of sitting position is no good, right? Okay. Okay, alright, thank you, 曼歪 thank you. OK， 曼歪你们一定要来上星期三的课啊，因为我会教一些很 advanced 的东西哈，是 M5 的力度的东西哈。OK，so yes, right. Roger, yes. Malaysia, do I have a learning group that I can join in? Yes. OK， 在马来西亚这里呢，我们这里有一个我刚开始的一个学习群。OK， 那么这个群里面呢有课程可以给大家上，所以呢，如果想要加入的话呢，都可以在我的这个 description box 底下呢 ，OK， 有一个链接，去到我的 Facebook page 里面咨询。OK， 什么 description box 是什么啊 ？OK，description box 是什么？OK， 华语怎么说 ？OK。Right, I try tomorrow cause still fighting with COVID. Oh, congratulations. Alright, so you mean you are fighting the COVID in your body? Correct? Okay. Well, I don't know. How's the feeling like when you are contracted with COVID? Okay. Right. But anyway, take care. But anyway, there's nothing big anymore. All right. It won't kill you. Okay. For now. Okay. It won't kill you for now. All right. If you have no other complications. All right. Okay. Get well soon. Yes. Nice of you. Okay. Western. Okay. See, we have a very nice. We have nice community here, right? Okay, so yeah, okay, all right. So yes, okay. Let's see now. Okay, just a bit tired, sore throat. Well, okay. I'm always tired and sore throat. Okay. Anyway. Okay. Anyway, right. So just take note, okay? Just take note. Drink more water. Have enough rest, okay? Just have enough rest, okay? Okay, so that you will be able to recover. Okay, it's a good time to rest. Okay, good time to rest and just take care. Okay, you will recover. Okay, all right. Okay, so then what we are looking at now, we are already in the selling. Okay, so Manwai, take a look now. I'm going to explain this. Okay, so we are already in the selling, correct? We are already in the selling. So whenever we are in the selling, there will always have a chance that we will meet up with some resistance. Okay, so now along the way, let's take a look at this. Let's say H4. Okay, we have okay, let's say H1. Okay, H1 over here. We have one with support here. So from this level to this level, we have about 40 to 50 pips. Am I right? But along the way, this is the destination. Remember, this is the destination. This whole area is a profitable area. So along the way, from the beginning, we have already start selling. Okay, we already start selling when we actually comes in here. Okay, comes in around here. Okay, from here to here is swing, and to here swing back again. Correct, right? So over here, when you already started to swing, okay, when it started to swing from this part here, okay, it has already started to swing just to find the correct one to enter. We know from the resistance, okay, from the resistance all the way down to the support is a journey. Because this support is actually from the H1 support, am I right? When we are looking at the overview. So this resistance we are already in the selling since the resistance from H4 has been tested. Okay, over here, correct? So this resistance starts here. The journey starts here, all the way down, and this is the destination, right? This is the destination. So this destination over here, along the way, there's bound to have a lot of support. They're bound to have support and some retracement, some pullback. Am I right? Okay, so when you're looking back in H1, this is one of the support here. So if you are looking even to a smaller time frame, okay, we move for those that have already passed until around this area of resistance, correct? This is the area of resistance over here. So let's place it around here. Previous support tested and breaks, it become a resistance. So you know clearly that this is the area of values that actually giving us a resistance area. So you always can get ready to sell down when the M5 give you a strength. OK， 当 M5 给你一个力量啊、力度啊，这个绿红红这样的一波的力度出来的时候呢，这个呢是一个 lower resistance 的话呢，这个是一个 resistance lower resistance lower resistance， 对不对？也就告诉你 trading market 还跑着。OK， 所以呢，这里呢，你靠着这样进场其实是可以的。OK， 这个哈，当然你要配合到其他的 time frame 啊。OK，so making sure 它是在 selling 的阶段。OK，I come back in English. So now, okay, I think the rest we know. Okay, so the areas of value here and coming back here for selling. All right, this is the area of selling. So just wait for it to retest, and if it's not breaking up again, right, to look out for higher resistance, then we have a good chance to sell. So pay attention to this. All right, Powcat Western. Okay, we're saying that Powcat we looking for retest, then we get opportunity to sell. Yes. By looking at this, yes, that's right. Okay, correct. So it has already started selling since the retesting of this area of value, the supports that actually become a resistance this area. So now coming back here, okay, the selling over here now has gone through one round of lower low. So will it create another lower high at this point? Okay, so this shall be the one. Okay, Powcat shall be the one. So look out for the support level again. Okay, look out for support level. This support level here. Right, so M5, get ready guys, M5 for Powcat. But then again, let me see. Along the journey, where is the support level that we are looking for? Wow, it's quite wide away, quite low. Okay, guys, Powcat is good. Powcat is good. From here to here, I have about 12 pips of space. Okay, so probably a scalp will be good. Okay, and probably when you reach here, you can close your trade manually if you want to. Okay, so taking a look out for this. Check it out first. H1. Now what's the time now? Okay, H1 about 5 minutes past H1. Okay, so yeah, about 5 minutes past H1. Okay, so this one. Okay, Powcat looks good also. For Pound Yen looks good as well. Pound Yen. Okay. Powcat looks good. Pound Yen looks good. All right. Euro Yen. Wow, there's so many coming in together. Euro Yen. No. Euro Yen, no. Hang on. Euro Yen is going for a pullback soon. Okay. Euro Yen is going for a pullback very soon. Okay. Euro Yen, no. Okay. Wait. Okay. No. Euro Yen, no. Okay. Powcat, for now, as I see that we have a good chance for a scalp. Okay, a good chance for scalping over here for a 5. I think it's good. Okay, a 5 will be good. Okay, we can go for a scalp for 5. It will be good. Okay, and Pound Yen. Hang on, Pound Yen. What's the question? Sorry, I missed the question. Let me read back. But slightly Should we wait for rejection candle at the area of a value? If it enters into the area and with a plus additional with rejection candle like now, of course it's good. Okay, right? Like now is of course it's good. Pound yen. Okay. Should we wait for no? Pound yen is good. Pound yen. Okay. Pound yen is good. Pound yen. Okay. Pound yen is good. All right. Pound yen is good. Okay. Pound yen is good. Yep. Right. Pound yen is still good. Pound yen. Okay. I'm going to take pound yen. I'm going to take a trade in pound yen. Okay. Pound yen. Pound yen. Okay. Pound yen. I'm going to take a trade in pound yen. Right. I'm going to take a trade in pound yen. Yep. Okay. Pound yen. Okay. Pound yen. I'm going to take a trade here. Guess yeah. Okay. Pound yen. Yes. Okay. Right. Pound yen is actually quite good over here. All right. Pound yen. Not sure if you can hear me. Oh, I lost the connection. Where's my connection? Okay. Okay, pound yen, you have from here, we have, if you entered here, roughly here, the engulfing candle, you have about 30 over pips to go. Okay. Oh, yes. Okay. And, right, pound yen. Okay, pound yen. We have over 30 over pips. I think roughly, like I said, the 25%. I guess another. I think I will grab for a 20. 20 will be 30 for 30, almost to 40. Okay, so 25, 20 to 25. I guess is still good. 20 to 25, I think is still good. Okay, 20 to 25. Right. Okay. So, yep. Okay. Right. So, let me know, guys. Okay, if you're there. Well, pound yen is still good. Okay. Okay. You. Yes. Okay, let me see. All right, guys, just give me a little while. Okay, just give me a while. Okay, if I enter, let me know. Okay, excuse myself for a 5 minutes break. Okay, I need to go to the restroom. Okay, see you in a short while. All right. Hello guys, sorry I'm back. Yeah, I took longer than before, right? This break, I'm so sorry. Okay, so yeah, let's come back and take a look at what's happening over here. Wow, there's a lot of messages here. Okay, all right. What is this now? Oh, okay. Oof. The Jens is away from my office, and a very sudden nature call. Okay, so yes, I'm back here. Right. So is there some questions there? Let me take a look. Wow. Oh. Wow. Profiling me. Wow. Okay. A lot of profiling, huh? All right. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Okay. So well. Yes. 是的，我在台湾认识 Fab 啊。对，你好，你好，好久不见了啊。Okay. So yeah. Okay. Anyway, my link, my Facebook link. I cannot remember which one anyway. Okay. So yeah. Anyway, from here, let's take a look. Just now, okay, from the selling over here, we are going for, wow, 70 pips now. So it's heading downwards, well, exceeding. Okay, this is one of the journey that we're looking out for. So like just now earlier on, this is the destination. So along the way here, this is along the way for this destination, we met up with one support over here that we need to take care of, correct? We have to be very careful of. So coming down here, this is the destination that we are looking out for. So pound yen, okay. So I hope Trans United, I hope he's here. Okay, hi Isaac. Okay, I just saw Isaac. All right, so yes. Then again over here, yes. So well, thank you, Alan, for your compliment. Yes, whatever. Okay, so anyway, yes, this is the way that we should understand the situation just now. Okay, we are talking about the situation. Am I right? All right. So yes. Okay, so let me do this. Let me tune up a bit if you can hear me. Okay, I hope probably yes. Okay, so yeah. If it's too loud for you on your side, just let me know, okay? Because am I losing out? Okay. Yes. Yep. All right. Okay, so pound yen. Okay, pound yen. Over at this side here. Okay, so we are actually now looking for now this situation. A bit loud, is it, Hubert? Hubert, yes. The commotion. Oh no, they are discussing about me. Okay, that's not important. All right, my past is not important. Okay, what's important is our future. Correct. Okay. So yes, Poundcat. Let's take a look at Poundcat. I guess Poundcat has another Poundcat still testing on the resistance. Okay, Poundcat is still testing on the resistance over here. Earlier on, we have someone was talking about this, right? Okay, Manwai TP, congratulations, 恭喜恭喜. Vaishali TP 37 pips. Oh, great, congratulations. Okay, so let's see. Western, is it Western? Western was talking about is it Western talking about this Poundcat? Let me check. Oh yeah, Western, Poundcat. Okay, just hang on, Poundcat. Okay, Poundcat is also good. Okay, Poundcat is also good. So check through. Okay, let's check through. Testing on the resistance right now, and we still need a little bit of time. It is still testing. It is still testing. Okay, it is still on the testing side. Okay. Pound dollar also, wow, pound dollar another one that sold off. Okay, crazily today. Okay, I think well, that's pretty good. Okay, so yeah, for guys who have taken your profit on the pound yen, congratulations, well done. Okay, so remember to smash the like button for me. Okay. Yes, yeah. Okay, now I sound like a YouTuber, right? Okay, so yeah, I just keep it easy. All right. So let's go back to pound yen. Okay, once you have actually taken your profit, there's one crucial step that you need to do. Recap back. Okay, recap. As I was explaining, okay, earlier on, from the resistance from here, correct? It has already tested once, which we have talked about it yesterday. So after it tested the resistance, it started to swing down, correct? So as we swing down, we can see that the resistance was here, started to retest once again with a double top here, and now not breaking, with a new cycle of selling over at this part here. Then we shrink down, zoom in to see what's the current situation, okay, to a lower time frame, so that let's skip all the way to M5, okay. So we know that, okay, from this point, it has started to swing down. When it started to swing from the resistance, always look out for trending market, okay. Always look out for trending market like this, a lower resistance, coming again with lower resistance, coming again with lower resistance, correct? So just now we were at this stage. So each time when there's a lower resistance over here, we always look out for, from the far left, support. Is there support being tested? Okay, then tested again to break. Once it's tested to break, this will be one of the resistance. Okay, eventually the support will become a resistance. Okay, why? I will explain it later. Okay, so once the pullback into the resistance area, just like Vashali just now was asking, okay, is it good to have a rejection candle? Of course, that would be very good. Just now, as we was talking about it, immediately the rejection candle comes along. It's just like Vashali is controlling the candle, and yeah. So when there's a engulfing candle over at this part here, where the prices over here is lower than the previous candle, we can see it's actually digesting all the buying candles. Okay, the previous candle is continue the selling harshly, then we can take a trade over here. So along the way, just now I was saying that we look out for the support over here, which about 30. I will prepare to take about 20, correct? So this part is the support, which is at along the journey. Okay, we will have one support level at this area. Because of H1, we can see one support over here. So at this point here, we should be careful with this. So that's why just now I was saying that, okay, probably I will from here to here, I will be taking from where we entered, so about 30, I will be taking about a 20. So you see, why you want to take a 30 instead of taking like these 70 pips, but we cannot tell the futures. We can only tell what has already been surfaced, the current situation. We will base on the situation to tell us what kind of strategy should we be using. Example, scalping for a 5 or go down for a 20 pips or go down for 30 pips of profit. Okay, so we will be able to gauge roughly where we can grab the profits. Okay, so at this point, right? So this is one of the support in the journey. Okay, along the journey. So we will be able to see that we will be able to know what are the number of pips, what are the strategy that we should take. Okay, at the point of time when we started to enter a trade and decide 5 pips, 20 pips, or 30 pips. Okay, it depends on that situation. Okay, it will depends on the situation by then. Right. So that will greatly help us to know. And in this case, we will be able to tell, okay, and we'll be able to grab the profit in a very safe manner. Okay, so that for me, like say, just now I also entered a trade before I ran for my gens, right? Okay, so it depends on individual. Okay, for your risk management as well as also the number of pips that you decided to take. Okay, so we have about 30 over pips. Okay, we have about 30 over pips to go, right? So this also is a good one. Okay, this is also a good one that we can grab about 20, just now as I mentioned, correct? So guys, when grab more than that, of course, congratulations, good job, okay, good job. So for just now, I was saying that the pullbacks, okay, why the previous support has actually become a resistance, okay? So this is something that I would like to explain to you. Why is that so? Okay, for us, okay, if you understand the meaning of BD, right? Okay, okay, I'm not going to mention this anyway. Okay, this side here, if you are reading the support and resistance, you know this is a support, you know this is a support, you know this is a support, correct? Well, this is not a secret, and the whole world know this thing. Am I right? The whole world know how to read the support and resistance, correct? Okay, although there's a slight difference between the support and resistance reading from people to people, traders to traders, but almost the same. But then again, you must remember, you are not the only one who know how to read this. So other institutional traders, they also know how to read this. But the way they read it will be different, and they're going to use it differently. They may use it to wipe out retail trader. Okay, so in a way, okay, a lot of this is something I'm going to put it as an example. Okay, so over at this point here, if you can see the support, a lot of retail trader, they will start to see, okay, this is support, right? Okay, so there's a lot of buying orders waiting down here. They will have a lot of pending orders here to buy. All right, so once it hits here, you see the buying is here, correct? So the buying is here. So if you can see the support, don't you think others people cannot see? Yes, the rest also can see, especially the big boys, okay, somebody else also can see where the support is. So when the pending order actually activated, you see candles moving upwards, right? So at this case, at this moment, institutional may come in, or some other big players may come in, all right? And they will let you get a taste of profits first. Then after that, they will wipe you off by selling a very big selling through to break the support here. So guess what? Plenty of retail trader, okay, will hold their trades when they're losing end. When it comes back here, the retail trader, okay, it's fine because I'm still making money and the profit is getting lesser and lesser and lesser and lesser. It's okay, I still have my risk management so-called. Okay, I will place my stop down here somewhere. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, so when the stop, when they got stop out, all right. So can you see there's another level of support in this, somewhere in this area? Can you see? All right. So here to here. So they got stop out. Then the price started to goes back again, and there are some others buyers are still holding it. Good, the price will still go up there. So those buyers will still continue to hold the trade. Am I right? So thinking of, okay, when it comes near to where they entered previously over here, okay, then they will be thinking, okay, I seen some stop out over here, probably, okay, some trades stop out here, and they will get worried. Once they get worried, okay, there will be some buyers coming in as well because of the support here. Okay, so again, this round, okay, all the previous buyers, the pending order buyers, will start to sell off their trades at a minimum losses or even with no losses somewhere around here. Then it will create, when they sell away their buy orders, that means to say selling is coming, correct? So big boys will come in together with them to push even harder. So this is where the previous support actually become a resistance. Okay, so of course, previous support to become a resistance is just a name. Okay, so along the way, you know, is it still, it is the way that we can see and understand the sentiment of the market here and why the support has become a resistance. Am I right? Okay, we always know, okay, support will become resistance. So resistance will become support, vice versa, correct? But we do not know the actual logic behind it. Okay, so a lot of people, when they don't understand, they start to draw a lot of support line, resistance line, support become resistant, the whole chart will become a spider web. So you will become a Spider-Man. Okay, so in this case, okay, that will actually give a lot of, you know, they will give a lot of a lot of mistaken perspective how to trade with support and resistance. End of the day, they were like, that doesn't work. This cannot trade. That cannot enter. But who knows? It went to the direction there. Okay, so in the end, then that will become a a very lousy trade for everybody. Okay, all right. So yep. So just identify the situation, apply the correct strategy, know how many pips to take, all right, so that you will be able to grab the profits in a very safe manner, okay, and get out of the trade before the big boys come in again. All right. Okay. So yes. So this is one learning lesson for all of us here. So I guess it's pretty good. Okay. So yep. So coming again. All right. So now come back here again. We are moving towards the 20 minutes to the H4 opening. All right. So guys, remember to smash the like button, click the subscribe button to join in to this community so that we will be able to share, trade, and take profit together. All right. So once again, right. So I will be continue to look at dollar cat. Let's take a look at dollar cat. Right, dollar cat. Wow, dollar cat. What a good bump up. Okay, so dollar cat. Earlier on, we are looking at this selling, but like I say, I want to see the dollar cat to break the support first. Okay, it must break the support. So once it breaks the support, okay, then we'll have a very good chance. Looks like the dollar. Okay, yesterday was Independence Day, and today they are coming back for revenge. Okay, it looks like you're coming back for revenge. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Is Pao Yen is another? Is this considered another chance of entry? Pao Yen. Okay, let me take a look at Pao Cat. Okay, Pao Cat. No, not yet. Pao Cat. Okay, Pao Cat is gone. Okay, Pao Cat is gone over here, so no more. All right. So Pao Yen over here. Right, Pao Yen, as we can see. Okay, the previous resistance over here, right? Okay, so yeah, we got it. So at this point, the journey towards where's the destination? Our destination is down here. Okay, this is our destination. So we are still in our profitable space here, so it's still pretty good. Okay, still pretty good. All right. Alright, so at this point, I leave it here so that it's clearer. Okay. Yeah, so Pao Yen, we are left with a little bit of space here, about another 30 pips. So let's see. Okay, with these 30 pips, now are we still on the trending? No, we are still in the trending as a lower low. This is a lower high, this is a lower low. Okay. So is this still considered one that we can start selling? I would prefer to wait. Okay, I prefer to wait. I prefer to wait for another wave. Okay, if it's continue to go and swing down, then I forget about it. Okay. All right. Okay. Are there any sign of Pao dollar? Let's take a look at Pao dollar. Any sign of Pao dollar losing momentum? Losing momentum to sell or to buy? Sell, likely, if you're asking the question basing on the situation now. Let's take a look. Okay, today Pao dollar is for me to sell. Okay, today I'm looking at Pao dollar to sell. Did I? No, right? No, not yet. Sell, huh? Are there any sign of Pao dollar losing the selling momentum? Okay, let me check. The Pao dollar coming for a sell is because I think the dollar is actually coming in. Okay, the dollar is actually coming in. And right now, we are very near. We are 15 minutes away from H4 opening. So I guess probably H4 will be clearer to tell me whether is it losing on the momentum. And here, there's one minor support here that we have tested once and it got rejected. So yeah, I think very likely Now the buyers are disturbing the sellers. Okay, now the buyers are disturbing the sellers now. So tentatively, I think we need to wait for the H1 opening. It will be clearer. It will be clearer that is it losing out the momentum now. This may be a pullback. Okay, this may be a pullback. All right, so perhaps another 15 minutes will be much clearer that way. Okay. Yep. Okay. So right. Okay. So pound dollar, I would say no. Let's wait. Wait for another 15 minutes. Okay, Isaac. All right. So pound yen. Okay, is pulling back now. Okay, that's good. So I hope to see. Of course, right now we are. If you're asking me, we should be looking out for things like this over here. Okay, somewhere here. All right. Area, no, that's not. I just leave it here first. Okay, just now we are talking about this area, am I right? Okay, so leave it here first. Okay. Pound yen. I will say that since like for example like Versailles, you have already captured about 37 pips, right? Okay, so don't risk. And for the rest, Sabrina, okay, Sabrina, no, I think this pound yen have to wait for a little while. It may start to hover a little bit to test on the resistance over here. As you can see, the rejection candle at this level, it has already shown us that this resistance is actually quite strong there. Of course, the support is also quite strong over here that it still cannot break down. So it may hover around. So this may be the landing that I'm always talking about. The landing, okay, started to land a little bit here. Okay, just hang on. All right, just hang on. I would prefer to have it probably retest this area. Okay, so bring this down. Okay, to retest this area first. Okay, although it's retested. Okay, this considered as a retested already. Okay, considered as a retested already. All right. Okay, so but then again is that it's not. This is a continuity, so not a very strong one. Okay, I'll prefer to wait for a while. Okay, yeah. Usually you see once we got the profits, okay, we are not supposed to take our profit and risk another trade. Of course we should, because in any way, if an investment, taking risk is inevitable, but you must take calculated risk. Okay, don't just risk blindly. Okay, that's very important. Okay, that's very important. Okay, so yeah. So as we can see now, pound yen is actually pushing. So I guess we still have some space to go. However, all right. However, we have about 30 pips, but then again, let's see. Still looking good. Okay, but I'm worried. Okay, my worry is that it may have a pullback before it started to complete the journey. Okay, so I guess we still have to wait for a little while. Okay, we still have to wait for a little while. All right. So don't take this kind of risk. This risk is not very worthwhile for me to take. Okay. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Yes, we have taken the profits for pound yen. Okay, earlier on with some euro dollar, pound dollar, correct? And I couldn't remember. Okay. Yes. Okay. Roger, 什么事？哦，谢谢你。Okay. 谢谢你。Okay, thank you very much, Roger. Okay. Yeah. Please don't buy me any durian, something like this. Okay, we are here to enjoy your. If you gotten your TP, your thank you is already a very big thank you for me. Your appreciation is already very, very good gift for me. Okay, don't buy things for me, please. Thank you very much. Okay, all right. So buy me coffee when you are in KL. Okay, sure. All right. Okay, we will meet very soon. Okay. All right, you can recognize me, but I don't know how you look like. Okay. So you have to shout me out before. Okay, if you see me. All right, I will fly there one day. Yeah. Okay, very soon, very soon. Yes. Okay, so once again, yes, pound yen, we have taken the profit for this round, and probably let's wait. Okay, guys, you can pay attention to pound yen. I have one screen on pound yen, no worries. Okay, pound dollar, we are selling down as well. Pound dollar, pushing back again. This H4, I'm waiting for the H4 candle opening. All right. So Isaac, are you looking out for buying for pound dollar? Are you looking out for buying? Okay, so pound dollar may have a chance to buy. The pullback is coming soon. Okay, this is let me see. Okay, buying of pound dollar, huh? Yes, huh? Okay. May have a good chance. Okay, but not now. Okay, not now yet. Okay, waiting for this pound dollar to form up a double bottom. Okay, so that we will be able to see, right? Look at the daily time frame. Yeah, look at the daily time frame. Yeah. Yes, why is that? Okay. Okay. All right. So yes, what is that? They're looking at daily time frame. 6 supports on daily time frame. What do you mean by 6 support? Oh. 5, 6. What is it got to do with that 6 supports? Guys, pound yen, please take note. Please take note. Now we are a little bit on the struggling side. Okay, so don't take it for granted. Just sell, okay. Probably it may be the last selling. Okay, probably. Okay, so just hang on. Okay, just hang on. No idea. Actually, I'm guessing a little pullback. Okay, so you're guessing a little pullback, right? So if I'm looking for a buy, all right, definitely not today. Okay, unless it comes to test on this particular support. Okay, unless it comes into test on this particular support, all right, then I will consider. Okay, so I still have about 60 pips away. Okay, I'm about 60 pips away. So tentatively, I won't be buying at this point of time yet. If you are trading on pullbacks, that means to say probably you are now onto the anti-trending, because for pound dollar, initially I was looking at for a retracement today, right? But then again, is that today it looks like you see now it has turned immediately at this hour. It started to turn down. Okay, to go back into the bear. So right now we are in the bear. Okay, so but however, if you're looking for pullbacks, like say just a few pips of small space, okay, you may have a chance. Okay, you may have a chance. All right, but not now. We have to wait for H4 first. Okay, let's wait for H4 first. Okay. All right. So pound yen, wow, looks so attractive to sell. It looks so attractive to sell. Okay, so but not now. Okay. Not now to sell. Not now to sell. Yeah. Yes, Hubert. This is always the case that when you come to this stage, the chart is now hovering without any signal. We are not to sell, neither to buy. Yes, agree. Okay. Yes. Yeah. See. Okay. No, Sabrina, we don't really want to do that. Okay, we don't really want to do that. Because you see, pound yen is in the selling, right? We're in the bear. So there's a question over here, guys. Okay, so if we are, why are we not pulling? Why are we not trading a buy? Since it's hovering down here, then when it reach the top, then we sell. Then we reach the bottom, then we buy. Okay. I know you're trying to grab every opportunity, okay, to make some profits. But you know, as a forex market is moving very fast, and actually, it's not really very ideal to have such a way to trade because not safe at all for a retail trader. Okay, so I guess you should still be good, okay, to stick with one structure. Okay, since you know one structure, okay, then I guess that is will be good. That will be good that you will start to see yourself trading in the trend, okay, following the trading structure. Then you have a trading rules so that you will not be you will not actually get out of the rules and then causing a lot of doubts in your trading. All right. Okay. Hi. Good morning, Trends United. We have grabbed the pound yen for you. Okay. Okay, so pound yen has reached the resistance level that we plotted yesterday and started to swing down for 100 over pips. All right, I think 100 over pips. Yeah. Okay, so it has reaches the resistance over here. We have swing down for 169 pips for you. Okay. So I think it's a good news for you early in the morning. So you will be able to tell. Okay, yesterday we plotted out the resistance over at this point. Correct? If you still remember, in this whole area where I have a pink box here. Okay, let me have a pink box for you so that you will have a better picture. Okay, so about here. So it has swing back as you have a trade over around this area. Correct? Okay, around this area. So now it has swing back until this, and we have captured here. Okay, so yeah, just recap what we have talked about yesterday. All right. Okay. Aha, no more cowboy today. I cannot forget about GJ. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, just bear in mind, huh? Okay, all right. Okay, so yeah, just a little recap for your memory so that you know, okay, this is where you should be waiting for. Okay, I leave it here first. H4 has opened. All right. Yes, Alan, you're saying? I think I know more about you with Aha. Aha. Alan, are you in UK? You are in UK, am I right? I guess if I'm not wrong, you are in UK. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. All right. Okay, just keep it to yourself. All right. Okay. So I think well, I guess maybe you're right. Okay. Anyway, I'm an ordinary retail trader. Okay. So yep, let's take a look at pound dollar. Okay. So Isaac was asking about this pound dollar. Right, pound dollar. Now we have this H4 opening with the closing of the H4 past candle was a very big selling over here. Very good. Okay, so now what we are looking out for over at this point here, pound dollar. It seems like we have breaking through this level. Okay, so pound dollar right now seems like we are seeing. YouTube screen has frozen. Is it? Oh yeah, huh? Yes. Okay, hang on. Give me a minute. All right, give me a minute. Okay. Okay. I think yep. Should works now. Okay. I'm still on GJ. On GJ. Oh my god. Sorry. Hang on. Just give me a while. Let's see what's going on. Okay. Well, we done? Yeah, thank you. I'm back. Thank you very much. Okay, so yep. Okay, so okay, good. It's working, huh? That's okay. So over here in the pound dollar, okay, pound dollar. Let's see over here. Now coming back here with pound dollar. All right, we are merely on the supports here. So there may be a little pullback. I don't see a lot. Okay, so a little bit of pullback. Okay, there may be a little bit of pullbacks here. Okay, one, two, one here as a resistance over here, and next to go. This may be the level. This may be the level of higher support, higher lows, and this one. This may be a resistance. We have very tight pips, about 10 plus 9, 10, 19, 20. Not worth it to take the risk now, huh? Okay. If you want to trade a pullback, be very careful because the pound dollar has actually went into a state of into the bear. So probably all these are just a little pullback. Okay, just a little pullback. You have about 19 pips of space from just now. Now I think you're left with about about 19. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, about 19 pips. Okay. So yeah, not very advisable. Yeah. Okay, not very advisable. It may continue the selling. Okay, it may continue to test on the support here. Okay, so the selling here. Right. So over at this point here, pound yen. Let's come back pound yen to take a look. Okay, pound yen. Right, pound yen. Now I'm looking at pound yen. So pound yen over here, I guess more or less I think it's the end. Okay. So we are probably, as you can see, this is the main support, the main reversal support here. So until here, right, until here, we have a higher support. So this is the level where we are going for another higher support. Okay, so and then probably, but this is temporary. I would say that this is temporary. Okay, then over at this point here, okay. So we have a pullback for pound yen for about 30 pips. Then from there, probably there will be another selling opportunity. Okay. Yeah, Sabrina, no, no, no. I will not put in a buy. I will not put in a buy trade. Okay, I will not put in a buy trade. Okay, I will not put in a buy trade for now. Okay, yes. Until when the index so bullish, can you analyze it for us on the high time frame? Let me see. let me check. Okay, let me check it out. Why are you looking at me? Okay, so yep. Hey, why is this out here? Well, tentatively, all right, I will still, I don't really encourage any of it right now. Yes, I don't really encourage so much about it. Pound yen, is it time? Pound yen. Let's see. Hang on, DXY. Yen. Pound yen. Pound yen may be a little bit, you know, it's a bit struggling, but it may have a one drop. It may have a drop. It may have one drop, and that is a final. Okay, so probably that may, yeah, I think we have another chance. Okay, but not. Let me see. Let me see. 1, 2. Hang on first. Hang on first. No. Hang on first. I would prefer to wait first. Yeah, perhaps the next round. Okay. Seems like it's hovering around in this area. Am I right? Okay. So the support is also very near at this point. Okay. So I would say that we may not have a good chance to taking over. A breakthrough is possible, but it may not be a long one. It may be a little bit short. A short-term profit will be good. A short-term profit will be good. For me, okay, like situation like this, okay. No, I think this push may push a bit, but I'm not suggesting any. I will wait for another round, and from here to here, probably I will scalp a 5. Okay, this one, yeah, this one is possible. This one is possible, guys. Okay, this one is possible. Okay. Trends United, hang on with the index. Okay, right. Pound yen. Okay, pound yen. Okay, this push is quite possible. Okay, this push, but this push I will going for a short one. I will go for a short one. Okay, I will go for a very short one. Okay, so yes, pound yen. But hang on. Wait. Okay, hang on. Okay, get ready. I think it's quite kind of good. The engulfing is coming. Okay, so yep. I think yes, we can go. Okay, this one. Okay, so after this push, all right, I think probably this may be the last final push. Okay, so be very, very careful with this. Okay, pound yen. Okay, pound yen. Okay, pound yen. have about 30. We have about 30, correct? We have about 30 pips of space. Okay, 30 pips of space. Okay, 30. Yes. Okay. All right. Okay, 30 pips of space. 30 pips of space. Okay. All right. Okay. So yeah, that's right. But I guess I won't be going for 30. Okay, I won't be going for 30. Yep. This point here to here, now we are about 20, not 30 anymore. It's about 20. Okay, it's about 20. All right. Okay. Yeah. Alternatively, okay, you can also wait for if there's a. I think no lah. I think even that is coming back, it's there will be a good chance over at this point here. Okay, a good chance here. Okay, a good chance here. Yeah. Okay. A 10, 15 is good. It's a maximum. It's the maximum. Okay, it's a landing now. It's having a landing now right now. So just be careful. Okay, just be careful with it. All right. Okay. Yes. Okay. I guess no, because you see we have a space, am I right? Okay, we still have a space. Yes, we still have some space here. Okay, we still have some space here. Right? So over from here to here, okay, we are also equal distance. That means we're right in the middle. We're right in the middle. So at this point, okay, at this point here, all right, this may be the maximum. This may be the maximum that I'm going to test. It may also come back for a retesting first. Okay, yes. Then after that, we can capture from this level. Okay, because it had one push lower already, so this one. After coming to push this, after this last push, okay, this is the last push. I will still see about maximum 10-15. Okay, 10 to 15 pips. Okay. Yeah. Okay, 10 to 15. Yes. Okay. Right. If not, this may go into consolidation. Okay. Dollar CAD. Tentatively is shooting quite high up here. I think you are looking for a buy. Am I right? When you are looking at this chart. Vince, hi Vince. Nice to see you here. Okay. Vince, I think you are looking for a buying. Are you looking for a buying for dollar CAD? Or dollar CAD? Do let me know buying or selling. Hey. Sorry. Friends United, let me go to my trading view. Okay. If you are going to buy for dollar CAD now, I think it's not the time. Okay, it's not the time to buy because the buy has already went off from here. Okay, so I think right now if you are going to enter a trade, and now you are actually chasing a trade. So no, you have already missed the opportunity. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so come back here with Trends United. Okay, let me take a look at this. For this, we're running about 106. Am I right? 106. 106 106 now. This is a bit tough. Okay, if you're asking me if this is a new high, there are many people asking me the same questions. Okay, is this a new high? Is it a new high? Is this I'm going to start selling? Okay, I will still saying that I will still be saying that tentatively. Okay, if I'm looking into this it is still going crazily high. 106 now. Okay, so tentatively 10575. I think no. If you're asking me if I'm going to buy now, I won't be buying now. I'm going to stay away. Okay, I'm going to stay away for now. Right? I'm going to stay away for now. It's you know when it's actually rocket high, is rocketing. Okay, at the point. Okay, I won't be entering a trade. I won't be entering any trades to buy. Okay, to sell, I will say that so we continue riding a GU trend. Highly likely. Okay, highly likely. Okay, as you can see now, the around this area. Okay, so from here 19 is about here. We are going to press on this one. Okay, GU, but GU is on the support right now. It's right on the support. It's a bit tough. Okay, it takes a while to break the support over here. The downside is definitely okay, but it may pull back and retest again, right? So highly possible. Okay, highly possible. Okay, so this is something good. Okay, then I think for now, if you're asking me this check another one. Yeah, I think this index, this is crazy today. I think it's going to break. Yeah, 106. I think no. Yeah, for me it's no trade range zone now. Exactly, this one no. Okay, this one no. Okay. Pound yen, I would say that pound yen will be pressing on for this pound yen may be the last. It may also be the last. Okay, the last. Yeah. It may be the last. It may be the last push, for this to meet up with the destination down here. It is still very good to push. Okay. Pound yen. Dollar so crazy. Well, okay. So you must understand. Okay, since inflation is coming. Okay, inflation is there, and I guess dollar is actually pressing on something. Okay, that you know is actually there will be bound to sellers. They're bound to have sellers. Okay, this is a rocket high. I'm going to sell now. But who knows when they sell, it goes completely wipe out. Okay, so it's actually strengthened the dollar. Okay, the dollar is strengthening. Then probably in terms of currency. So when the inflation is actually coming, okay, it's already it's brushing my shoulder, right? Then we are also looking at industry is actually also having things like this. It's it seems like it's coming our way. They must be doing something before the recession actually really hits hardly, right? Okay, so yeah, so this is what I'm looking at tentatively. If I will only take this this dollar, okay, as a reference, okay, so that I will have a better I will have a better idea to short the rest of the currency here. Okay, I think as we have noticed that the recent after this news and inflations coming in, we notice that the movement of the currency is actually getting bigger, right? And it seems like so much easier to trade. Hey. Yep. Yes. Okay, so coming back to pound yen over here, let's look at pound yen. Okay, if we are looking into now into a lower time frame like this, okay, you can see that this is very struggling, right? Okay, it's struggling. So this struggling, okay, is pretty unsafe in a way. Okay, it seems like just like the dollar cap we are having yesterday. Yesterday, yeah, I think yesterday. So resistance is here as well, support is here as well, and you know, it's very struggling. It's very struggling over here. So when it started to struggle like this, there are buyers, there are sellers, buyers and sellers coming in. Okay, so what I see over here is that, you know, there are sellers and buyers. Okay, there are sellers and buyers coming in. And again, is that all these sellers and buyers, okay, are they trading in within this range? Okay, right. Then is it still good to actually to sell at this moment? I'm looking at this. Sellers like us, we are still looking at this destination here. We still have about 20 to 30 pips, am I right? Okay, 20 to 30 pips. So it's also something that we need to pay attention, whereby when we are looking at the time frame over here, is when it's so struggling, you know, when it's so struggling, we will have a thought that, is it still going down? You know, is it still going down? But the thing is that once I see this, okay, with a trend earlier on, okay, it has a sign of that the selling seems like either it has a last push or it's ending. Okay, either it has a last push or it's ending. Okay, right? Do you think it's gonna break it? You mean for Vince? You're talking about pound yen? Are you talking about pound yen? To tell whether it's going to break it, it depends. Okay, right now is still looking good. It's still looking good that the breaking is still possible. Okay, why is that so? It's because sellers are still coming in to push slowly downwards to break. Okay, to break and where to have a last push. Okay, so as you can see, it's actually sliding down. Am I right? It's still sliding down. So sellers are still willing to sell at a lower price. You know, sellers are supposed to sell at a higher price down to the lower price. Am I right? So at this point, okay, as I can see, sellers are still selling downwards. Sellers are still pushing the limits of the buyers, supporting the price. Okay, so this is where I see. Okay, and pushing is very struggling, fighting around here. Okay, but still have a good chance to push. Okay, for the last round. Right, for the last round, I would say. Right, UJ all-time high. When people are talking about all-time high, I would say that yes, right now it is. Okay, it is. Okay, so hold your fire for dollar yen. Okay, hold your fire for dollar yen, because I see there is a very big swing down, but it's not coming yet. I see there's a chance of big swing down. Okay. All right. Just hang on with it. Okay, be patient and wait for it. Okay, be patient and wait for it. I really see this coming friends united. Okay. Okay, do give me a call if it's really starting to swing down. Okay. Okay. It is whether is it in my midnight I will wake up and trade. It will be a historical trade. Okay. All right. Yeah, that's what I see about dollar yen. Okay. Okay, so let's come back for pound yen once again. Pound yen. Pound yen looks pretty good in a way. Okay. Last push. Hopefully this last push can complete this mission over here. Right. So after it completed, it may have another swing, and then probably then we will be able to complete the whole session here. We still have quite a fair bit to go. Okay, but it may not be today. All right, it may not be today. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so yeah, just take note. Okay, pound yen. Okay, pound yen. All right, so I guess pound yen is quite a good one. Okay. Yeah. Yes, pushing through, correct. Pushing through. Okay. 然后你们再看一下这个棒日啊，棒日 ，OK， 棒日，是的，是的 ，OK, guys. Oh yes, well done. Pushing through. Okay, continue to push. All right. Alan, TP, wow, good job. Okay, congratulations. All right. Okay, good job. All right. Yes, okay. Aiden also TP. Okay, good job. Very good. This is the last one. Carol TPGJ. Well done. Okay, very good. Okay, so as you can see, when we analyze this way, initially this part I would want to take. When I start to see the sliding off here, okay, then I think this is still quite good, huh? Okay, right. Fab 也 TP 啊 ，Trinet 也 TP 了。Okay, congratulations. 漫威也 TP 了。Well done. Okay, very good. Okay, so you see, this is like I say, is a journey. This is the destination. Along the journey, by lower down, we will see some support over here, correct? All right, then slowly we go down all the way like M5. We have this pullbacks. Okay, trading market still going on, but this one has no trading market. This is not a trading market. The trading market didn't really continue this way, but it's go into a state of struggling. Am I right? Okay, it's very struggling. So when it's very struggling, it may tells me that the selling market is over, or the buyers are coming to support, and we may have a ranging sideways over at this point. But when especially at these two candles, these 3-4 candles over here, when it started to retest the resistance again and again, then I don't have a very good faith for them. But when it started to show the sliding down, the sliding off, okay, sellers are willing to sell at a lower price, then I see the opportunity. To sell. Okay, so I don't know how many pips that it will go, but this is all I know, that probably this may be the last push, as we can see. Okay, as we can see over here, this is my support level, right? So it's coming very near to the destination of this level, of this part here. Okay, of this part here. So at this session, we are coming to this part here, at this level. Okay, so probably it tested and it may start to retrace a pullback, then started to sell again to complete my targets. This is my target. As we can see, I have already drawn this for quite a few times, a few weeks ago. Okay, so I'm waiting for this to happen. Okay, it has cleared once. I completed one mission here, and it retraced backward and retest again. Now retest back again. So when it's coming back for retesting, we have a very good chance for pound yen to continue the selling to complete my mission once again over here, my target over here. So probably next 2 days, probably the next 2 days. Okay, probably the next 2 days, then that will be good. Okay, TP the BTC. Oh, is it? That's good. Carol, let me take a look. You are selling on the BTC. Bradley, our cowboy, finally TP your pound yen. Congratulations, cowboy. Okay, yeah, I think that's quite a good one. Okay. Yes, BTC. Are you selling the BTC from? I think you are making about 200. Am I right? Carol, that's good. Well done, huh? Okay, Carol, I think you should be making about 1 4. Let me make a guess. Okay. Oh. IAT probably. Okay, anyway, selling. Okay, I'm waiting for 17. I'm waiting for 17. Okay. It sounds like a tips, right? It sounds like a tip off. Okay, yes, all right, pound yen. Let's come and take a look at pound yen. So pound yen, well, we have completed about 30 pips. Well, exactly. Okay, so we have completed this pound yen 30 pips of run. Man, why? May I know how many pips did you take? How many pips did you take? Okay. Yes, Isaac, I'm waiting for 11K on BTC. 11K. 11K. All right, 11K. Wow, that looks like the price in the year of 20. Yeah. In Malaysia, that was the time. Yeah, 11K. I think was a very popular one. It's a very popular figure. 2019. Oh yeah. Correct. 2019. Yeah, I think somewhere there. Yes, correct. Yeah, when I was in Malaysia, yeah, it was like yeah. Not a chance now. 19.5 to 19.1 is the target. 19.5 to 19.1 is the target. Okay, I think yeah, 19.1 to 19.5. Job. Fantastic. Please ask your friend to sell more. Please ask the market to sell more, so that it will reach 11 for Isaac. So they reach 11 for Isaac. Okay, that's for Bitcoin over here. Okay, yes, okay, let's come back here. Pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. Okay, 18,200 after. 18,200. Quite close. Okay, quite close. I guess that's quite a good one. 18,200. Let me see. 18,200. Yep. Okay. Let's ping me when it's coming near. All right. Let me know, Carol. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. When I see Carol, I something come to my mind. A hodge. Right. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So pound dollar. Okay. Pound yen. Okay. Right on the spot. Guys, can you see? Okay. Can you see this? Okay. Right on the spot. Okay, on my support here, on my support level. Okay, it came down right on the spot and now it's starting to retrace. Okay, right on the spot. Good. Okay, so that's good. So where is this spot coming from? Over here. Okay, so this is the one that I'm looking out for. Okay, so we are coming to this as well. This guy, is he still here? CK Mock. Is CK Mock here? Calling for CK Mock. Calling once, CK Mock. Calling twice, CK Mock. Alright. Gone. Okay, just now earlier on, no, we were just telling CK Mock, okay, about the H1 support, H1 sold. Sold, yeah. Yeah, that's nice, Isaac. Okay, so just now earlier on, we were talking about the where is the support that which is very strong, that is not easy to break, or identically you can see for resistance. Okay, when H1 you see a support over here, it's the same level as in H4. Okay, so this is a level that is not easy to break. All right, this is the level it's not easy to break. So when you come over down to the time frame, as you can see, okay, over at this point here, you can see that it's actually hitting right on the spot and it's now retracing upwards. Okay, so that's all, I guess. Nothing more about pound yen, right? Although pound yen, I've drawn this rectangular blue box over here, aqua color here, aqua box here. But with this box over here, although I see that there's still potential about from the support over here right down. Okay, it should be around 107 pips. Okay, right. So tentatively, but of course, it will never be such a smooth journey. It will go straight down. Am I right? We'll have some pullbacks, and that pullbacks maybe 100 over pips, 200, then come back again, right? So yes. So once again, so just be very thankful, okay, that we cannot just based on this and just swing our trade in just to grab the profit. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so there's a liquidity at 18,200, 17,890. Okay, so yes, 17,890. Yes, that is what I'm looking out for. Exact spot. Yeah, you spot on, huh? Okay. Yeah, remember to ping me, huh? Okay, so pound yen tentatively, I'm looking at pound yen right now. Okay, I would say that the pound yen is now having a pullback right now. So can I just put this, putting this downwards, that this may be the resistance, that it will continue the selling to break the support and it will continue the selling. I won't say that this is the one, okay, but I'll rather put this up here. Okay, later you take a look. It may come back to retest, comes again and retest again and go back to this resistance. If it's still holding well, then it will highly likely it will still coming down to retest the support over at this level. Then we will talk about breaking out. Okay, breaking down. So now it's not okay. I will see that it will still go. It will still be retesting this, which we are left with about 13 pips. Not worth your risk anymore. Not worth your risk. So Manwai, you have taken your 10 pips just now on the last push here. Okay, I call it the last push because it touches the support. So don't take the risk anymore. Manwai, may I know how many pips you have collected today? Okay, so over at this point here, okay, over at this point here, right? I will be looking at this. We'll have maybe a landing here, then retrace to test on the resistance up here. All right, so this is something that I'll be looking out for. Okay, so that is what I'm looking out, that probably and highly likely, okay, this is something. Okay, 16 pips, 2 trades. Okay, that's good. Okay, right. Okay, yeah, so 记得要来上课哈。OK， 你上完这课，你就会更加明白我今天所讲的东西了哈。All right, you must come to my class so that you have a better understanding of what I'm talking about today. All right, why we can grab all these profits here, huh? Okay, all right, okay. Yeah. So yes, and right now, okay, right now, if we can see, no, I won't. No, I won't take this. Okay, Sabrina is asking. Sabrina, okay. Carol, no. Carol, yes. Oh yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. Enjoy your breakfast. Okay. So no, this part here, I won't. It's not a trending. It's not a trending situation anymore. Okay, this is not a trending situation anymore. So I would not. I would not take this. Yeah, I won't take this. Right, I won't take this. Yep. Okay. Yes. Yep. Okay. Good. Yes, good. Yeah, and what we are looking out for right now for pound yen, it will start to retrace. Okay, and highly likely with this level, instead of putting this as a resistance, this may be the level. Okay, later you guys can pay attention and take a look. Okay. Okay, so this level may be the level that it will come back and retest to become a higher support. This level. Okay. So I will not put this here because this is the level of a higher support. This level is a higher support level. This is the resistance here. Okay. So when it goes up, when it comes down, it will stop here. Then it will continue to test the resistance again. Okay. Then if it's breaking the resistance, then we are looking out for a higher support, higher support, higher support. Okay. So the pullback. This is going to be a pullback curve, as we can see. All right. Yes. Okay. Hey guys, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? If you are still there watching, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, so that we can come in and trade, share, and take profit together. Okay. So today, what Alan, with you around 30 pips is no problem. Wow. Okay. Congratulations. I believe you have taken 30 pips. Huh? Okay. Yes. Okay. So yeah, thank you very much for the compliments. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So I guess this is something good. Okay. So but anyway, okay, whatever. All right. We are still supposed to be very, very careful. Okay, we are still supposed to be very careful. Okay, we are supposed to be very careful. We are still supposed to blah, 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 blah. Okay. Okay. Yes. Right. Another question here from yesterday. My 67,000 pot. My 67,000 pot. If I am trading with what you suggested, I'm putting in a 1.2 lots today, and to my surprise, I'm actually making a 430 today. Oh, okay, 430 today. Well, that's good. Okay, that's good. 430. Okay, so that means the lot size is not very big as well anyway. Okay. How did you manage to keep the fluctuation within the 30 pips? The fluctuation within the 30 pips. Do you mean that if you set the 30 pips SL, my entry will not hit the SL as in the 30 pips of space? Okay. It round down to understand the situation. Okay. Yeah. Did you manage to capture some of the profit today? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Speaking of which, okay. Let me see. All right. Okay, I got yep, I got my profits here. All right. Ta-da! Same. I have two trades. I think earlier on I missed out one, so after that I catch back with these last two trades. Yeah. Okay, so yes. Okay, today 1,002 for me. 1,002 plus. Yep. Okay. Why do you call this a 5 pips trading where you actually can go for more than that? The rest are capturing more than what you are capturing. Don't you feel a little bit upset? Why do I have to feel upset over this? Don't have to. Okay. All right. The point here. Okay, I have a structure. Okay, I do not want to tarnish my structure and actually wake up the greed monster. Okay, I do not want to wake up the greed monster. Yes, it takes a while for me to actually to grow my lot size many years ago from 0.01 to 0.2, 0.4 to 1 to 2 to 5, and so on. So it takes a while. But now, okay, and I prefer to take 5 because of my lot size, and I feel very comfortable. Also, why 5 with this lot size? I'm still very comfortable with it. It's because of the risk management. Okay, it's because of the risk management. So if I have a $1,000, if I'm going to trade 0.01, okay, I think it's pretty small. Okay, let's say with 1%, okay, 1% of 1% of this $1,000, which is $10. If I'm trading with 0.01, can you imagine I have plenty of buffer, 100 pips. Okay, on the average, let's put it on that, 100 pips, correct? So who cares? Correct. Who cares about SL? No, you still have to. Okay, of course you cannot just put the SL 100 pips, right? Okay, that's too illogical. Okay, so manage it. Okay, so that you know that with that 1%, maximum 1%. Okay, a maximum of 1%. So probably let's say a 0.5. That means you are your each trade you are willing to lose up to $50. $5. Okay, or $5. So with this $5, yes, is it still okay? Okay. Well, if you reduce that risk, you don't have to go for a $10. Correct? You don't have to go for a $10. So with that, you don't really need to okay, you don't really need to actually going to risk that 1%, that 1%, then in the end, that 1% is actually going to be quite big in terms of the pips. Am I right? Okay, so that is not really logical. It's not really in the mathematical order. It's not there. Am I right? So if you reduce to, like, say, okay, I'm going to set my SL at maybe say 50 pips. Okay, 50 pips. So 50 pips will be 0.5% of $1,000. So then that's fine. Okay, so then or maybe you want to reduce it to 0.3, which is 30 pips. Okay, that's fine. Then how about your profits? then you work on the profit. Okay, so profit, maybe if you see, like, you have to work on the situation. You have to work on the situation whereby the situation is allowing you for 1:3 or 1:5 ratio, or 1:6 or 1:10 or 1:100. Okay, whatever it is, it all depends on the situation. Okay, it all depends on the situation at that point of time, whether should you really increase a little bit more. Okay, right? Sitting too long is no good. That's why you're standing up. You can tell I'm standing up. Okay, yeah, all right. Okay, so yes, I'm standing up. Yes, standing up. Yeah, just you know, get yourself a bit moving a bit. Okay, guys, remember to move a bit. All right. Okay. Yes, pound yen is still testing. That this is like I say. Okay, pound yen is testing. So pound yen is testing on the support right now. Really going to break. Like I say, it's highly likely it's not. Okay. Now it's retesting on the support. So right now seems like it's testing the support and coming back as a support here, testing on the support, wanting to break. Okay, all right, then okay, then likely we are going to see a pullback up to this the resistance here. Okay, all right, okay, yeah, okay. So just hang on. I see that tentatively we are still up here. Oh, okay. Yep. Yeah. This level has stopped here. And I guess it needs a little while. For it to actually continue the selling. Okay, so that we will be able to break these supports later on to complete the whole area here, another 100 over pips. I think that would be great. Okay, yeah, dance for us. Dance for you. Dance for everybody. Huh? Okay, yes, okay, so I guess this is today we have a very good trading. Okay, I think this is a good experience for us to actually see that the profits have been realized. Okay, that's great. Very good. Okay. Yes. Is this what you call a double bottom? Double bottom. All right. Not really, but it's similar. Okay, similar. It's just that it should be there should be at least a wave. You know, there should be another round of wave pushing up and coming down again. Okay, then that will pretty like this is a double top. Okay. Okay, this kind of wave, at least 2-3 candles going up, 2-3 candles coming down. Okay, something like this. All right, but if you're asking me for this, is it the one that I would say no? Okay, I would say no. Then is this a trending? I would say yes and no. So when the answer comes in the way that it's a yes and no, okay, that means to say it's unsure. No go. Okay, no go. Yep. Right. Okay. Roger, yes. Just earlier on you said that you have a Chinese version in the night. Oh, the Chinese version in the night will not be hosted by me. Okay. Yes, that will be under KH ACS Learning Hub YouTube channel. Okay, that's for the Chinese. He will be speaking Mandarin. Okay. Yep. Right. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. So. All right. And okay, so I'll be looking at this. Okay, pushing through. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's look at this. Okay, if we are going to push through a little bit like this. Okay, then over at this point here. Okay, this level. Okay, and at the white line here. Okay, After it push through, this will be the level that it will come back here again. Then it will push for a higher support. It will push through for a higher support and then continue to go and test the resistance. Highly likely, if it's holding the price, then probably after that it may continue the selling. Okay, all right. But then again, let me check. Looks like it's not. Okay, looks like it is not, and it will have a little pullback. Okay, it will have a quite a good pullback. It will have quite a good pullback, or maybe 50 to 60 pips. Yeah. Okay, it looks like about 50 to 60. Okay. Yes. That's right. Yep. And yep. No, I don't see. I don't see the. I don't see. I don't see the selling opportunity now for pound yen. Okay, I don't see the selling opportunity now. By looking at this part here, it seems like yes. By looking at this part here, it seems like if you're looking at the volume chart RSI, okay, probably they may give a signal of but not now anyway. Yeah. Okay, over at this part here. Okay. I know. I guess this is what you're talking about. Am I right? Okay, and then all right. Just estimate, because I have a very poor drawing. Okay. No. Okay. Yeah. All right. So no, I won't take this into consideration. Okay. No. Okay. Yes. No. Not that I know of. Okay. Right. Okay. So when are you going to Malaysia, Bradley? When are you going to Malaysia? Okay. I will let you know when the time comes. Okay. I don't think you are in Malaysia, right? Okay. Yeah, I don't think you're in Malaysia. I think you are probably. If I didn't remember wrongly, you are. I can't remember. Okay. So yeah. Yes. Final. Yes, I'm waiting for the H1 opening so that we will be able to see that probably it was going to escalate up. Okay, then after that 5-10 minutes later retest and then going up further up. Okay. Yes, I'm not. Okay. Yeah. So are you waiting for me to go Malaysia and you'll fly there as well? If so, then we shall fly there together. Okay. All right. Okay. Well, H1 has opened. All right. So H1 has opened now. Then let's see that this is let's check on the H1. Okay. Probably maybe one. No, this is not really good now. Okay. So the closing over here show the rejections here. There may be one retest. Okay, then after that the retesting. Okay, then probably will start to go again. Okay, the support here seems like it's showing that it's actually is quite strong over there. Yeah. Yes. Exactly. Yes. Okay. Yes. Yep, I guess so. Okay. This retest, okay, this retest for this pound yen over here, the retesting of the pound yen here, is actually a sign that it's actually a sign of telling us that the support is actually pretty strong. Okay, and with the combination with all the other time frames that the setup of the support is actually coming, so buying signal is coming soon as well. So it will. This is the beginning that it really slow. Sorry, then it will slowly bring into every time frame. It will indicate all the time frame to have the turn. Okay, dollar cat, if you are buying just now, Vince, you are saying that you are buying, I think not advisable. Pound dollar, if you are buying, I would say also not really, because of your support pushing through once, and then after that now it's coming back again. So buying for now, okay, yes, for pound dollar, a pullback is possible. A pullback will be possible, but it's a very short one, very short one. Okay, scalp and go. Okay, and dollar yen, okay, dollar yen, are we going to sell? Are we going to sell it off today? I would say that no, don't touch first. Okay, I guess the revenge will come. Okay, I guess the revenge will come. Okay, so just avoid it. Right? Okay. Yes. Okay. So yes, that's all for today. Today, I guess we have grabbed the profits of from pound yen. Okay, I think the maximum of 37 pips, 40 pips. Okay, then euro dollar 50. We also have pound dollar 30, 40 pips. Okay, so I guess it's pretty good today. Okay, yeah. So yeah, I think this is let me see. Uh, yeah, correct. 40, 40, 40, 37. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. Right. So I guess that's all for today, guys. Shall we come back tomorrow? Shall we come back tomorrow? All right. We are on. Yesterday was a very boring day. Okay. Today the start day and I think pretty good. So shall we come back tomorrow again? Yes, of course. All right. Full-time trader, you don't have a you don't declare off day on the weekdays. Am I right? Okay. So yes. Okay, we'll be coming back here tomorrow. Coming again. Okay. So first of all, and the MT4 time. All right, MT4 timing here. First of all, okay, I will be having 8 o'clock on the MT4 0800, okay, hours. I will be having my analysis, all right. Then after that, in the London, the UK hour, okay, then I will be coming in. I will coming in to coming in here for live trading together with all of you. All right. So guys, thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, Manwai, sure. Okay, great. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you so much. All right, then I shall see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so remember to click the like button to show your appreciation for the effort behind this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not to join us tomorrow, and ring up the bell so that when I go live you got the notification. Okay guys, thank you so much, and I shall see you tomorrow. Thank you so much. See you.